Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I'm going to show you that how can you make a simple Christmas tree with very less materials. I am showing you the method of making cone using this green paper. Fold it as shown. After folding it, apply sellotape. Cut it from the bottom using a scissor. Using this same method, make a cone out of chart paper. I am showing you again the method of making a cone. Let's start decorating this cone. You will be needing a tinsel, a double-sided tape, a scissor, and the cone you made with chart paper. For decorating your Christmas tree, you will be needing some small stuffs such as glitter stars, some artificial bells, some flowers, pom-poms, shells, and some thermocol balls or pearls. It's time to decorate the top of your Christmas tree with some plastic bells. Now decorate your Christmas tree with some LED lights. I have decorated my Christmas tree with colorful LED lights and yellow light. I posted a community post last week and 67% votes were for Christmas craft and decorations. So here is the video for Christmas decoration and 19% votes were for wall hanging or dream catcher or wall decor. So this month you will be getting a beautiful wall hanging wall decor craft. And yeah, thanks for watching.